Okay, so welcome to our first day of class in video production. Okay, so as mentioned, every online session that we have, I am requiring everyone to open their webcam for the first 15 minutes of our session. Okay, so automatic na dapat yan that if we have session, open your webcam. Then after 15 minutes, then optional na lang if you want to still open your webcam. Okay, so for today's session, presentations only of the syllabus in video production. So you'll have an idea of what to expect in our course or in this subject, which is video production. Okay, so but before that, let's have one word expectation in our chat box. So type one word, any one word that you expect in this course, which is video production. Okay, so utilize the chat box. Also, class, this video production is contextualized as you being an education students. Okay? So, expect nyo na yung mga itatakal natin dito is what will be usable when you become an educator. Okay? So, contextualize to sa pagiging education students.
Anong tanong niyo, sir?
Wala pa ako pa doon. Okay, so let me uh, show you the syllabus. Oh, by the way, meron tayong activity later. So agenda natin is I'll show you the syllabus. Then we'll have an activity. Okay, so yun ang agenda natin. Sa next meeting na tayo magkakaroon ng graded activity sa Friday. Okay, so ngayon, well, graded pa rin siya. Pero, ano lang, may activity tayo later. Okay, merong pwedeng manalo. Then, yung mananalo sa activity natin later will have additional 5 points. sa ating quiz. Okay, so crucial yung mga quizzes natin. So probably next week may mga quizzes na tayo. And yung 5 points na yun, okay, it's important. It's very crucial. So it can be the difference between you getting a grade of 3 or 2.5. Yung 5 points na yun. So that's a big difference. So kahit na more on icebreaker activity natin later, meron pa rin siyang reward na 5 points which you can use. And maraming pwedeng manalo. Pwede sa 3-2, dalawa yung manalo. So maybe sa inyo mga tatlo or we don't know. Basta seryosohin nyo lang yung instruction. Okay? Kasi simple instruction lang naman yun. Okay, so here is the syllabus. Sino kasi ito eh. By the way, may mga klase na ba kayo sa ibang subject nyo? Nag-present ba sila ng syllabus? Anyone who can answer? So, unang tanong, nagklase na ba kayo sa ibang section nyo? Ibang subject nyo? Yes or no? Thumbs up lang. Okay. Nag-present na ba ng syllabus? Heart react. If nag-present ng syllabus. Okay. So, yun kasi kailangan. Ano kasi to? Parang documentation. Ipapasa mo sa chairperson. Oh, nag-present ka ba ng syllabus mo? Pasa yung screenshot na nag-present ka ng syllabus. Oh, yes ma'am, ito po. Kunyari, nagpe-present ako. Okay na. Yun lang naman kailangan natin. So, ayan yung syllabus. So, basahin natin ang course description ng video production. Okay? So, this introductory course, introductory, is designed for beginners who are eager to explore the world of video production and storytelling. Okay? So, you will learn fundamentals and techniques to produce high quality videos. Literally and figuratively, high quality. So pag nag-produce ka ng 8K resolution, high quality ba yun? So literally, yes. And whether for personal project, social media, or professional use, as mentioned, contextualize as you being an educator, future teacher. Diba? Okay, so yung mga word nyo, creativity, editing, composition, art, creativity. All right. So this course covers key topics including pre-production, di ba? So mga pre-production, the production phase, and post-production, mga editing na yun. So we'll also talk about lighting, sound, video editing, blend of theoretical and hands-on practice. So you'll gain proficiency in using video equipment, setting up effective lighting, capturing clear audio, and editing footage to create a polished and engaging content. So ito, default to sa lahat ng mga syllabus natin. So, ito yung mga agenda on weekly basis. Yung work into 21st century teacher, yan, kasama yan sa lahat ng subject. Okay, kasi mga 21st century learners, tayong lahat. So, default din yan. And occupational health and safety, so, or hazard management, kasama din yan kasi may mga activity kayo sa field, di ba? Typo. Here is the another one. Okay, there you go. Sige, huwag kayong magsalita, ako lang yan. Later, magsasalita ulit kayo. Okay. Yeah, introduction to video production, week 3, uh, pre-production planning, cinematography techniques, lighting fundamentals, and then my midterm. So expect nyo na ang midterm natin is an actual activity, okay? Not up and paper. One. So editing and post-production, storytelling and narrative structure, visual and audio effects, distribution and promotion. Yeah. We'll also learn how to promote what we produce. Okay, so yeah. Um, then class standing 70%, then final examination or final output, 30% of your final grade. So there, that's your syllabus. I'll give you a copy of that. Okay, so try natin yung one word expectation. Skills, editing, lenses. Okay, so yeah, we'll talk about the holy trinity of photography. The shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. By the way, engage nyo nga class for me to have an idea. From 1 to 10, 10 being, expert in video production, and 1 being complete beginner. Gauge your level in video production. Come on, using the chat box. 1 being a complete novice to 10 being an expert. Come on. Wala pa humble naman ni Justin. 3, 1, 3. For the past year, I encountered students na I think yung level ng skills nila in video production nasa ano na, 9 or 10, something like that. So probably 9 na I experienced one student na pagka-graduate niya, pinakita niya yung portfolio niya sa GMA 7. Tapos, few months later, makikita mo na yung pangalan niya sa credits ng KMJS. Nag-work na siya as sa creative department ng KMJS. Ganun siya kagaling. So yun yung mga, probably nasa ano na siya, 10. Yeah, yung level niya in video production. Okay. So actually ginawa ko siya ng ano, na yung syllabus kasi parang ano, medyo boring tingnan, di ba? So I created, it's like, it's an iceberg version of video production syllabus. Are you familiar with iceberg? Diba? Yung sa taas, surface level lang. Then as you go deeper, you'll see what can you learn as you go deeper. So yun, ginawa ko siya ng iceberg version para mas engaging siya sa mga Gen Z na kagaya niyo. So isipin niyo na lang, bawat iceberg, bawat level ng iceberg is yun yung mga itatakol on every other week basis. So every 2 weeks. So here it is. Yeah. So surface level ng ating video production. Pag-uusapan natin is, do you know that there's a difference between cinematography and videography? Kasi lahat tayo, may experience na as videographer. Pero not everyone has an experience with being a cinematographer or yeah. So we'll have to identify the difference between cinematography and videography. Kasi lahat tayo videographer. Wala naman sa atin na hindi pa nakapag-shoot ng video using your mobile phone. Din. So the moment na kinapture mo yung video na yun, technically you are a videographer already. Okay? Because you capture a video. So in a way, we are all videographer. Okay? Then cinematography, there's a difference. There is a more on creative difference. It's like the difference between movie and a film. Diba? So, pwede silang uh, gamitin na um, it's the same word. Oh, have you watched this movie? Have you watched this film? But there is a difference between movie and film. Okay, so movie more on profit. Film talks about changing the norm, or its goal is to make you a better person after watching that particular film. Pag movie kasi more on franchise, talks about the profit. So yan yung difference between that. Then we'll talk about Edison also on surface level, the Zoetrope. Then another level is the Muybridge and the kinetoscope and the stereopticon. So why Muybridge is the one who's responsible for the first ever video that was captured by humanity. Then we'll talk about the silent era, the neorealism, the chroma keying, ano more on categorically na yan. Yung mga framing, ano yun, surface level yun sa cinematography. Okay, so mga leading lines, di ba? Mga rule of thirds, yeah. More on surface level lang siya. And as we go a little bit deeper, yeah, we'll talk about the holy trinity of photography, the f-stop, the shutter speed, different types of output. Then as we go deeper, we'll talk about the hero's journey. Yan. Hindi ko na-explain kung ano yung mga yan. Mas spoil kayo. Then hanggang dito lang tayo sa probably dito lang tayo. Hanggang sa Raining in Manila. Yung Breakfast Club in Manila or ano lang yun. Traditional, optional. Yan. Pero kahit na hanggang dito lang tayo, yeah, ano na yan, solid niyang matututunan sa video production. Okay, so I'll give you a copy of the, I think, chat box. Okay, so nakapasok ba siya, no? Ang asa nating regular student. Si Nash. Nandito ba si Nash? Okay. So, yun. Okay, activity natin. Do you have a question in our syllabus presentation? In video production. Wala naman. Okay. So, let's proceed to our second agenda. So, for our second agenda, so yesterday, last night, nag-ano ko tayo, di ba? Nag-open speaker. So, dapat naka-reserve yan sa sa icebreaker activity. To introduce yourself. Sorry, pero kailangan natin gawin to. Okay. So, kahit na pangalawang beses na natin to, ang gagawin pa rin natin is mag-introduce yourself pa rin kayo. Okay. So, kailangan naka-open yung webcam niyo pag ano kayo. So, kailangan naka-open yung webcam niyo. Ito yung extension na beyond 15 minutes kasi introduce yourself. Not with the quiz. Okay, it's for uniform pag-ibig. So, yung mechanics ng two truths and one lie. The name is two truths and one lie. So, provide your name and three statements about yourself. Okay, so yun lang. Then we need to identify which one of those three statements is not true. Okay, so again, yung pinakamagaling, may mananalo sa game na to, then may plus 5 points. So, seryosohin nyo yung mga statements about yourself. Make sure na hindi pa alam ng mga classmates nyo kahit more than 2 years na kayo magkakasama. Yeah, I know. Hindi mo kaagad makigets hanggang hindi ko pa rin explain yung mechanics. Okay? So, wag kang excited. Magigets mo rin yung mechanics. So, ganito yan. Magpo-provide lang kayo ng three sensible statements about yourself. Sensible ha. Sa meaning, wala yung obvious statement na, let's say, first statement, I have a 20 pesos inside my pocket right now. Oh, paano naging sensible yun? Walang mga ganong statement. Or the first statement, I have a notebook inside my backpack. So yung mga interesting statements about yourself. Okay? So, for example, I graduated valedictorian when I was in elementary. Or I have a fraternal twin. Or I already been to other countries. Yan, mga ganong statements. Yung mga sensible. Okay, so three statements. Then we will guess which one is the lie. Okay. So kapag sensible yung statement mo, then walang nakahula. For example, yung first statement mo, yung pala yung lie, pero makatotohanan. So napaniwala mo kami lahat. So pag perfect yung score mo, napaniwala mo kami lahat na yun yung truth, pero lie pala yun. Then, nanalo ko. So, ikaw yung winner. May plus 5 points ka sa quiz natin. Okay? So, very simple mechanics. Just provide your name and three statements about yourself. Then we will guess which one of those three is the lie. Okay? So, gets na ba? Lagi itong pinapalaro sa mga sa BPO training. Kasi nakaka-stimulate to ng and it's a good icebreaker. You'll be able to know each other. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute to formulate to come up with your lies. And we will guess which one of it is the lie. Okay, so yun lang. Mag-isip na kayo. So, tanggap nga kung na-gets nyo. Guys, last time, gets mo na ba ang ating very simple icebreaker activity? Okay. So, we'll start in 1 minute. Yes, JP.
Sir, may question po ako. Meron po bang boundaries yung yung statement po na pwedeng namin? Like, for example, kumbaga, if I really did naman po yun, ganun.
Basta acceptable sa context ng pag-aaral. Okay?
Okay
Make
po.
sure mga education students kayong lahat. So, let's be professional. So, basta nasa bound siya ng professionalism. So, yun yung limit natin. Okay, Casey? Alright, so good question though. Sige, pag-isip na kayo. Okay, so are you ready? IDT33. Sabi ko mag-open kami. Okay, so ganito, i-utilize natin yung chat box. So pag after ng three statements ng classmate nyo, ilalagay nyo sa chat box kung ano sa tingin nyo yung statement na lie doon. So for example, after three statements, tingin nyo yung first statement yung lie, so lahat kayo ilalagay ng one. Kung ano sa tingin yung lie. The second statement, third statement, and so on and so forth. Okay? So dyan tayo magbobotohan sa chat box. Got it? Okay, so to be fair to everyone, so thumbs up na kung may nakalaro na sa inyo nito, Two Truths and One Lie. Thumbs up kung may nakalaro na sa inyo nito. Okay, si AG, si Nevi, si Desem, si Aaron. Kaya kasi sa mga BPO, ito yung madalas pinapalaro sa unang araw. Unang araw ng training. Okay, so I'll go first. Okay, to be fair to everyone. So hindi pa ako nagpapakilala. Hindi pa ba? My name is Gino Raz. Okay, and I'll be your professor in three courses. So the three statements, magbotohan kayo kung ano dito yung lie. First statement, I'm a licensed scuba diver. Second statement, my course in college is tourism management. And third statement is, I live in a condominium. So yun. So saan doon yung lie? I-type mo sa chat box. Una, licensed scuba diver. Pangalawa, tourism management, yung course ko ng college. Pangatlo is, I live in a condominium. So ganyan, ganyan. I-identify nyo kung yung lie. Yan, number lang. First statement ba, second ba, or third? So sa tingin nyo yung una, yung licensed scuba diver. And some of you also said that number two, which is tourism management, yung course ko ng college. And okay, so the lie there is, okay, drum roll please. The the first one, the licensed scuba diver. Okay, so yun. Yes, tourism management yung course ko ng college. Then, pangatlo is, yeah, I live in the. So, number one is, ano lang, yung pangarap lang. So, guess yun na yung mechanics. Ganyan lang. Kadali ang laro. So, the first one, ay mag-volunteer ba? So, kagaya nung ginawa natin sa opening spiel, yung gagawin natin. So, for example, pag si Portia yung nauna, after ni Portia, tatawagin niya yung next, and so on and so forth. Okay. So, walang volunteer? Okay. So, si Portia na talaga. Go, Portia.
Hi sir, good afternoon po. Bale, may sinulat ako eh. Wait lang po ah. Bale, ano po. Hello guys, ako nga pala si Portia ni Estenor. So, ito yung two truths and one lie ko. Kaya kong matulog kahit maingay yung paligid. Tapos, yung sports ko, high school, until now naman, naglalaro pa rin ako. Chess. Tapos, perfect attendance ako nung high school.
Okay. So, here you
Opo,
can
yun.
vote now. first statement ni Portia, she can sleep even though it's noisy. Then second, with chess, yung sports niya. Then perfect attendance siya in high school. Okay, so going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, so end of butuhan. So spill the tea, Portia.
Ano, sir? Yung like ko po, perfect attendance ako nung high school kasi never pong nangyari yun. Pero ngayon, sir, naman college ako, sinisikap ko naman po talaga na pumasok palagi.
Okay, so
Yun.
yun. So kilala ka ng mga classmates, hindi ka makapagsinunod.
Parang ano, sir, sa personality ko din. Ewan ko.
Okay, so yeah,
Ayun.
hindi ka panalo kasi
Kainis.
kilala ka nila. Okay, next is, okay, pag may nag-volunteer, yun yung next. Okay, si Sean, then next si JC. So, take note yun na, si Sean, then si JC. Go, Sean.
Hello guys, my name is Shanley Samo. So, ito po yung tatlong statement ko. I graduated valedictorian during my senior high school days. Pangalawa, uh, I have, wait lang. Pangalawa, gym rat ako. Then, pangatlo, cyclist ako.
Ano, cyclist? Okay.
Tapos,
So, go. Parang ano nakakasakit na ayaw nila maniwala na valedictorian ka, Sean. Lie daw yun, payag ka. Okay. So mukhang totoo na gym rat ka kasi alam nila walang na-convince na liar. Okay, so spill the tea.
so, ang hindi po totoo doon, sir, is hindi po ako valedictorian. Salutatorian lang po.
Good one. Next, JC.
Hello po, rinig po ako, sir.
Yes.
Ano po, ito pa yung mga statements ko po. So, yung first statement ko is, I'm currently studying both education and BS psychology but at different universities. My second statement is, during high school, I served as a state witness in a legal case involving our school. And third naman is, I held the position of vice captain in Pylon Valiance, a team in our org in Pylon Esports po.
Okay. So we can start voting.
Hmm.
Parang, ang hirap naman kasi paniwalaan ng JC. So, alam niyo, totoo, di ba? Panalo si JC. Okay, so going once, going twice, going thrice. Sarado na. Di ba hindi mo boto Minus yan Minus yan sa quiz natin. Hindi nagpa-participate. -5 sa quiz. Kaya review ko yung transcript ng chat na to. So, pag nakita ko yung mga hindi boto, hindi nagpa-participate. Then -5 sa quiz. Okay. So, going once, going twice, and that's it. All right. So,
Okay na po, sir.
JC, what's the line?
Ano po, in third statement po, I hold a position of captain po I may captain po ngayon sa team ko ngayon sa school ko po. Sa team ko po ngayon sa Pylon Balance po. Yung una ko po, yung first po is, yes po, nag-study po ako both. Yan po.
Okay. Good job. Psychologist na, education student pa, di ba? Okay, next is si Lance. Ay, no. Russell, sige, go Lance.
Okay. My name is Lance Angelo B. Marauda. Ito po yung 3 statements about me po. Number 1, I've been awarded as overall best in ICT during high school. Number 2, I've been an online English teacher for more than a year. Number 3, I became the president of ICT club in high school.
Okay. So I see here. You can start voting now. Press the button. Okay, going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, so what's the leader?
Yung statement number
Lance.
3 po, sir. Hindi po ako naging president ng ICT Club. Muntikan lang po kaso nagkaroon ng pandemic po that time.
Actually, thanks. Okay, next, si Lovely.
Hello po. So first statement po, I actually don't like jewelry, but I have lots of piercings. Second, I do commission or sell my designs online. And third, I had an experience having a dinner with entrepreneurs.
Okay. So, go ahead, both of you guys. Okay, going once, going twice, and there you go. So, ano yung lie doon? Lovely.
Yung ano sir, yung number 1. Mahilig ako sa jewelry sir. Pero original dapat kasi may allergy ako sa like fake na jewelry sir.
Sige. So, di ba guys, kahit na matagal tayong magkakasama, may mga bagay pa rin kayo na hindi alam sa isa't isa. And kahit na marami kayo, gagawin pa rin natin itong icebreaker activity na to. So, magpasensya na kayo, okay? So, kaya natin to sa pusin. Kahit 40 kayo. Kahit 38 to go. Okay, so J. Micah, go ahead.
So, good afternoon po. I'm J. Micah Baldalabar. So, the 3 statements I have is, I have moles in my eyes. Second is, I completed my training this month sa work ko. And the third is, yung sex sa birth certificate ko is male.
Okay. So, go ahead. Okay, going once, going twice, and close. Okay, so ano yung lie doon?
Yung lie po is yung number 2. Hindi ko po na-complete kasi tinatamad ako.
Okay. So, yeah, hindi ko na-complete yung training. So, lalaki ka pala talaga, no, Jay?
Yung ano po, nagkamali po ng pero
Birth
pinapayos.
certificate, birth
Opo.
certificate wise. Okay, I see. So, next is the desert.
Hello, sir. Bigla po. Ay, dilim. Ayan. Ito po yung first statement ko. First statement, I posted my artwork on Facebook and it reached almost 20,000 reacts and 50,000 shares. Second is, I really love coffee. And then third is, I earned my first 6 digits at 20-year-old.
So, go ahead. Okay, so going once, going twice. Ano yung lie doon, desert? Ting!
Okay, ano po. Wala, fake friends kayong Sir, I feel betrayed. Yung mga kaibigan ko hindi alam na hindi ako nagko-coffee. So, yung coffee po, sir, ayun po yung hindi totoo. Hindi po ako nagko-coffee kasi nagpa-palpitate and ina-acid po ako. Then, tama po yung dalawa. Guys, oh my God, unfriend kayo.
Oh, sige ba? So at least yun. Yeah, actually, mas nakaka-addict yung tea kaysa sa coffee. Sa totoo lang. Mas nag-crave ako sa tea sa Starbucks kaysa sa coffee. Ang bako kasi ng tea nila doon. Wala lang, share ko lang. And, okay. So, I hope you earn your 11 figures on your 30s. 11 figures, contractor, 11 billion pesos. Okay. So, next natin is si si Carla. Unahin natin yung mga call center agent na. Baka may shift pa sila. Okay, go, Carla.
Sir.
Sa pantry ka pa. Tanong mo kung may kare-kare.
Naka-open po ba kami to, sir?
Yes. Kailangan naka-open ka. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So,
Ginugulo
three
yung chat box.
statements about this. First, I am from Santa Mesa, Manila. Second, I am currently working student. Third is magre-resign na po.
Nagre-resign pa katlo. Okay.
So, yung live po dun is yung 1-2.
Okay. So, nakaparinig. Alright. So, thank you, Carla. Next is ano yung sa nating agent? Si Winmar. Hindi rin siya. So, wala. Si ano lang. Sige. Go, Angeline.
So, kayo po, ako po si John Winmar C. Madreo. And two
Go ahead.
truths, one lie po sa akin is, first, nagtampo ako ng mga school activities but I still got a high grade. Second, I never forgotten an important family occasion. Third, I love watching sunsets whenever I get a chance. Okay. So, yun po.
We go once, going twice. Okay, what's the lie there? Winmar.
So, yung lie po ng number 2 po, yung I never forgotten an important family occasion. So, makakalimutin po kasi ako pagdating sa mga occasion na mga ganyan-ganyan po. Yun po.
Sige. Okay, go ahead, Janelle. Janelle Kyle.
Hello po. Rinig po ba ako?
Yes.
So, hello po. I am Janelle Kyle Ramos. And yung 3 things about me is, nanalo ako as champion sa isang contest dati. Second is, naging part ako ng isang content ng isang famous photographer way back 2021 with 10 million views. Then third is, palasali ako sa mga contests and events since preschool.
Okay. So, Moto guys, champion. Then, yung part ng famous content that pwede sumali sa contest. Si Janelle. Going once, going twice, going twice. And close. Okay, what's the lie there?
Actually, yung number 2 po, hindi po siya way back 2021, 2022 po siya nangyari.
Okay. So, thank you. So, anong mga contest yung sasali yun? Beauty contest ba yun? Project?
Yung mga ano po, yung mga group po. Yung halimbawa po yung polka, yung mga folk dance, speech choir, ganun po. Tapos nag-champion po kami dati.
Kala ko singing contest. Yung sample sa. Okay. So, next is si Ibrahim. Si Eugene. Eugene, ikaw na.
Rinig ako, sir.
Yes.
Ako po si Eugene and ang two truths and one lie sa akin is ako ay isang lifesaver coach. Number 2 is rank 1 ako nung high school sa MTAP overall. Number 3 is mahilig ako sa impromptu speech na at some point na ipinanglaban ako sa intersection.
Okay. So, boto. Yung mga nagsabi ng layong number 3, pakitaan mo nga yun. Hygiene.
Sir, ano na, medyo
Hindi, huwag ka lang paliwanag. Huwag ka lang paliwanag. Okay, going once, going twice, and cruise. Okay, ano yung lie doon?
yung number 2, sir. Kulelat ako sa math, sir. May palakol nga ako nung high school, sir, sa math eh.
Nakakuhan pala. Practice, di ba? Okay, so next natin is si Brian Paul.
Hello po, sir. Rinig po ako.
Yes.
So my name is Brian, and the first statement, my mother is a blogger. Second statement is my family have a food business near Quiapo, and the third statement is I never have joined a school field trip before.
Okay. So, boto. The mother blogger, the food business, and never joined field trip. Okay, once, going twice, going thrice, and close. So, ano yung lie, Brian?
So yung lie po is number 3. Nawala pa po ako nun eh.
Okay. So, may food business sila, Brian. And vlogger yung mother. Okay, next is si Desan.
Hello, sir. Rinig po ako.
Yes.
So, different, device lang po yung Pero anyways, yung tatlong sentence ko po is yung number 1, graduate ako ng senior high school with highest honor and top 1 ako ng strand namin, which is ICT. And then yung pangalawa, lagi ako nagpapakopya ng mga gawa ko para pag mali ako, mali din yung mga pinakopya ko. Tapos, yung pangatlo po, one time, may event po sa school namin, Battle of the Bands. Tapos, yung judge doon, inimbetahan ng school na isang sikat na singer from around 2016 or 2020 to 2020 po, ganun. Just hash yung name niya. Tapos, may alam ako na issue doon sa artista na yon before. Kaya nung chinika ko siya sa GC namin. Nag-leak po yung sinabi ko tas hindi po natuloy yung Battle of the Band dahil sa akin.
Wow.
Ayun po.
Ang galing mong storyteller kung layo, no? Ang dami sinabi layo pa. Okay. So, yeah, boto. Boto. So, going once, going twice. And close. Okay. So, what's the lie lesson?
So, yung lie po is yung number 2. Di po ako nagpapakopya ng mali kasi may ano po ako. Pero totoo po yung number 3 po talaga.
Oh,
Ayun.
what an event. Yung mga gangster kasi sa amin, nung high school, matatalino. Hindi basta-basta lang ang option. Nakaka-offend pa pag hindi ka kinopyahan. Kasi nagsasurvey sila. Matalino ba yan? Talino ba yan? Tapos, kapag hindi ka kinopyahan, hindi sabihin hindi ka matalino. Wala, share ko. Next is Marlon. Do Marlon.
Yan. Sir, audible po ba ako?
Yes.
So, ayun po ako si Jose Marlon Basco. So, yung 3 statements about me, which is one lie. Yung first is I became a coffee barista for 2 years. And second statement ko, since being a barista is mukha daw maangas kapag ka nagpatato. And ayun, nagpalagay po ako ng tattoo po, which is sa buong balikat. Then sa third statement ko naman po, I can do 5 drinks in 1 minute.
5 drinks and 1 minute. Okay. So, ano yung lie doon? So, sabi nila 2 yung lie. So, malamang nakikita ka nila.
Bali, yung lie doon, sir, is yung 2. Di po ako pwede magpatato kasi papatayin ako ni mama.
Okay. Sige. Kaya nga alam nila. Alam ng mga classmate mo na wala kang. Okay. So next is si Ashley May.
Hello, sir. Audible po. Ay,
Yes.
yung first po is, I'm currently intern po ngayon sa parang government program po, ganun. So, yung second is, nung high school, naging member ako ng Red Cross. Then, yung third is, yung OJT ko or yung immersion ko ng senior high school is nursing.
Is nursery? Nursery, ano? Ano yung third statement, Ashley?
Nursing po, nursing po.
Okay, nursery. Going once, going twice, going thrice, and okay, ano yung lie? Doon.
Yung ano, sir, yung number 2 po, ng member po ng Red Cross.
Okay. So, ba't mo naman naisip na pero binalak mo?
Po, sir?
Binalak mo maging member? Red Cross.
Po, dapat, sir, hindi lang po ako talaga.
Okay. Next is si Cyril Rueda.
Hello po. Audible po.
Yes.
So, ako po si Cyril. So, yung 3 statement ko po is first I love reading books. So, especially yung mga non-fiction. Tapos, yung isa po is, during high school po, naging member po ako ng isang org, which is LIMAP. And third po is, I became school live band po.
Ano, meron kang live band? Ano yun? Ano yung Cyril?
Live band po.
Liar ba? Then, ano yung second mo again?
Ano po, sumali po ako sa org po.
Or, So, voting once. So, tingnan mo yung mga pulso sa'yo ng mga classmate mo. So, paano sa tingin nila yung hindi ka panipaniwala sa'yo, yung pala totoo. So, at least, di ba, may idea ka sa perception ng classmate mo sa'yo. And, close. Okay, so ano yung lie doon, Kyrie?
Po talaga ako magbasa ng ano.
Ano? Ano, Kyrie? Ang ano ng audio mo? What's the lie there?
One po.
One. Okay. So, you don't love reading books. Okay. Kasi ano na ngayon, lahat ng mga information nasa YouTube na eh. Pero ano, masarap din magbasa ng libro na lalo na yung mga libro ni Robert Greene, 48 Laws of Power. Okay, so next is, okay, so si Nash, mga working students natin. Go, Asher, Nash.
Hello everyone. I'm Nash. My first statement is I'm a call center agent. Second is I'm the eldest son, and the last one is I use my left hand in writing.
Okay. Left. Okay, so bottom. Ay, wait lang. Hindi ko nasarado. Nasarado ko ba? Nasarado ko na. So, okay, so, ayan. So, hindi ka naka-attend kahapon, Nash, sa first day ng call center basics natin. Sayang, di ko napakinggan yung mga lasing na agent, mga lasing na estudyante ko. Na inokray nitong 3-3. Okay. So, before spilling the beans, totoo ba yung call center agent siya? Is that true?
Hindi po. Ano po ako? Chat support agent po.
Okay, so, ano din yun? Sa BPO din yun.
Opo.
Actually, naging chat support agent din ako. Mga 6 months. Sa ACME. Familiar sa ACME? Yeah, sa Commonwealth. Ang sarap doon. Yun yung pinaka masarap na BPO na buhay. Kasi chat support ka lang, tapos super avail pa. Sa isang shift, nakakatatlong chat lang na pumapasok sa akin. Yun talaga yung pinaka-highlight ng buhay. Pinaka-less stress. So yun, chat support tech support ng Verizon, Ubers, familiar ka ba yun? So ano yung account mo? Share to us your account.
I'm currently on telco po for T-Mobile po.
Okay, so T-Mobile. Yeah, T-Mobile. Okay. So gano'n ka nakatagal doon as chat support agent?
Nag-start lang po ako last month lang din po.
Yeah. So may mga more on ang dami mong notes sa desktop mo, tapos copy paste. Diba?
Yes po.
Yun lang, usually. Yeah, may mga blurbs namin.
Opo.
So yun. Pero kailangan mong doon, maka 60 words per minute sa typing.
Yes po. Opo, may typing test po.
Yeah. Pero piece of cake lang yung 60 words per minute kapag ka. Iba nga nakaka 100. Okay. So thank you, Nash, and for giving us the background. So next is si Evasto. Go, Evasto.
Hello po, sir. Bale, First po is I have 3 scholarship. Second, nagpa-part-time as virtual assistant. Third is nagbo-volunteer ako sa NGOs.
Okay. So, wait lang. Kaya nasara ko naman. Yung mga nagsabi na layong two. Hindi daw ka panipaniwala na VA ka. Ang malaki sahod ng VA, ah. Makaka 100K per month ka. Usually mga $6 per hour. Pag tenured ka na, naka $8 per hour. Okay, so what's the lie there?
Ang lie po rin is yung number 1, sir. I have only 2 scholarship po.
Mga panis. Ano kayo ngayon, guys? Pagdudahan nyo ba nag-VA siya? Okay, thank you, Mark Lawrence. Next is si Riza May sa PN.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible po?
Yes.
So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kaizame Antapian, and here are the 3 sensible statements about myself. So first, I once joined a spoken poetry competition in junior high school and won first place. And number 2 is, when I was in grade 12, my 3 group mates and I secured a spot in the research festival and were awarded a medal. And the last one, I once joined a school dance competition at the district level back in high school.
Okay. So, boto, poetry, nanalo sa poetry, si Riza May. Then, second statement niya is, sorry, second statement mo? Ang pangit na sulat mo. Hindi ko mabasa.
Yung second statement po is, nagkaroon po kami ng spot ng group meet ko sa research festival and were awarded.
Research festival. Alright. So then, dance contest, yung pangatlo. Okay. Alright, so boto kayo, guys. Sana totoo yung pangatlo para may na tayo sample. Okay, going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, ano yung lie doon?
Yung number 2. Talaga ako sasali ng dance competition.
Number 3,
Yes
yung lie.
po.
Ay,
Yes.
sayang. Kala ko yung number 2. Magsasample ka sana ng poetry tsaka ng dance. So, poetry na lang yung masasample mo.
Wala
Sa
pang
amin. Hindi, wala.
Ang tagal na po nun. Like grade 8 pa ako.
Hindi, huwag ka na
Tapos
paliwanag,
hindi pa ako
guys.
ng advice.
Hindi tayo uusad agad. Wala kaming naririnig na poetry sa'yo.
Wala po talaga.
Sige na, kahit isang line lang. Diba?
Sir, kahit ano, isang statement lang.
Sige.
Ano sir, Tagalog po ba or English?
English.
Isang statement lang sir. Isang statement lang sir ah.
Pwede naman Tagalog para flip top.
Tagalog po.
Sige, pwede naman.
Wait lang, sige, nag-iisip pa ka. Okay, sir, ready na po. Sa bawat paghinga, may kwento ng laban at pag-asa na hindi kayang patahimikin ng tao. Thank you. Okay na po.
Thank you, Riza May. Thank you for showing us a glimpse of your talent. So next natin is si Bernice. Sa 3-2, dalawa yung kumanta sa kanila. Sa 3-3, nangangalahati na tayo, wala pang kumakanta. Bernice, are you with us? Di mailig?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Hello po, I'm Bernice and ito po yung 3 statement about myself. Una po, hobby ko mag-collect ng medyas. Pangalawa, di pa ako nababalian ng buto. Tas pangatlo po, nag-alaga ako ng 45 days na manok.
Sorry. 45. Ano ba yung nakukuha sa bunutan? Okay, so pili. Going once, going twice, and okay, so what's the lie there, Bernice?
Ano po, hindi ko po hobby mag-collect ng medyas.
So, anong ginawa mo dun sa 45 days na manok? Kinain niyo ba?
Kinain po lahat at umiyak po ako. Hindi ko po kayang kainin.
I see. Okay. Next, after Bernice, ano na tayo? Si Ryder. Ryder.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ryan Ryder. So, here's my 3 statements. So, my first statement is, nung elementary ako, naging varsity ako ng basketball. At saka, naging varsity din ako ng soccer. Then, ang second statement ko is, nanalo ako ng 4 na champion na quiz bee nung high school ako. Then, quiz bee, sir, quiz bee. Then, ang third statement ko is, ang favorite hobby ko is maglaro ng video games.
So, boto kayo guys. Quiz B. And third statement, video games. Okay, so ano yung going once, going twice. Spill the tea.
Ang lie doon, sir, yung hobby ko, hindi ako mahilig maglaro talaga ng video games.
Nice. Halata nga. Kasi pag naglalaro ka ng video games, hindi ko naman sinasabi yung word na video games.
Yeah.
So,
Tama ka, sir.
Okay. Spice, yun. Hindi ka naman nalo. Dahil kay sayang. Okay, next, si Denise. Buong Kadin.
Good afternoon po, sir. I'm Denise Boncudin and here's my 5 statement po. When I was senior high school po, I was the president of STEM Society. Tapos next is tumakbo po ako ng SK tapos nanalo. Tapos next is I love visiting different places para manood lang ng downhill races.
Ay, hindi ka daw nanalo ng SK. Okay, going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Okay, spill the tea.
So yung lie po doon is yung second. Kasi hindi po ako nangampanya.
Okay. Pero tumakbo ka.
Yes po, sir. Kasi pinilit po ako ng nanay ko.
So, sayang naman. So, kung naman pa nakabaka na po. Meron sana kami SK chairman na classmate. Okay. Next is si Gian.
Hi, sir. Audible po.
Yes.
Hi, good evening. My name is Ian de la Cruz. Ito yung 3 statement na hinanda ko. So, first, naging core officer ako sa organization namin sa simbahan for multimedia. Yung pangalawa, naging photojournalist ako ng organization sa co-ed na tinatawag na The Searcher. And yung last is I'm a freelance photographer. Yun na po.
Sige. Kung ano yung line. Going once. Going twice. Going first. Close. Okay, ano yung line bro? Gian.
Yung ano po, naging photojournalist ako ng Searcher. Well, yung official po talaga na salihan ko is The Limestone po.
Wow, okay. Kaya pala yung patakawang ulit. So yung limestone. So kilala mo si Red.
Opo, opo sir. Naging senior ko po.
So, okay. Next is si Clarissa. Tapos din tayo guys. Go, Clarissa.
Hello po, sir. Ako po si Clarissa Valenzuela po. 3 statements about me po. First is, na-awardan po ako nung senior high ng Best in ICT Programming sa buong school. Second po is, meron po akong kapatid na age gap po namin is 20 years. Then, third statement po is, nag-OJT po ako ng senior high sa Manila Public Information Office po.
Okay. So, grabe yung 20 years na age ka pa. If totoo. Okay. Best in ICT. Same time. Going once, going twice, and close.
Ano po, sir? Bali yung lie po doon yung 3 talaga. Kasi sa Philpost office po ako nag-OJT. Hindi po sa Manila. Ano po?
Grabe 20 years yung age gap mo. Ano yung kapatid mo lalaki, di ba?
Lalaki po, sir. Ano po kasi, nung panganay po kasi ako, nung pinanganak po ako, bata pa lang po si ma'am.
That's so ako may kapatid, 10 years naman age gap na. So, amazing. Okay, next is si Arwen. Iwatas lang na kayo ng comment. Totoo, hindi pa tapos.
Good evening, sir. Audible po ako.
Yes.
So, hello po. Ako po si Arwen Adeser. And yung 3 statements ko po is, first, mabilis ako magbasa ng novel. Number 2, hindi ako nakakuha ng honors nung high school. Third is nag-ukulele po.
Okay. So, moto guys. Pwede mga kung nag-ukulele siya, si Arwen. Pero anytime may lalabas siya mag-ukulele, tapos tutugtog siya. Okay, so ano yung going once, going twice, going thrice, and close. Ano yung lie doon? Sorry,
Yung
hindi yung ukulele.
Tama po yung ukulele. Yung second po yung
Yes.
live kasi meron po akong honors.
So, ano pang hinihintay mo, Arwen? Tumugtog ka rin ng ukulele.
Nasa ate ko po yung ukulele ko.
Then,
Hihiram lang po ako.
saan naman? Saan paano mga kaibigan ng performance? Okay. Salo na lang sa face-to-face. Habang namin ukulele performance. After or before mag-mock call, mag-ukulele performance kami. Okay. Next is sino ba hindi tapos? Dami pa. Si Charlie's muna tao. Si Never.
Hello po, audible po.
Yes.
Good evening po, I am Charlize Neve Brasileño. And ito po yung 3 statements ko. So first po is very controversial, pero gusto ko lang malaman. Nung nakaupo pa po si Congressman Marvin Rillo dito sa District 4, nakakatanggap po ng 2K individually ang mga registered voters. Pati po ako So second is nagtry ako mag-audition sa Going Bulilit nung bata pa ako. And third, nagtry ako mag-apply sa isang BPO company nung senior high school. Pumasa pero rejected kasi student.
So, bata. So, pili kayo guys. The 2K. Pag registered voter ka, may 2K ka. Monthly. Wow. Okay, going Bulilit. No. Okay, so going once, going twice, and close. Ano yung line doon?
Yung second statement po, hindi po ako nag-try mag-audition ng Going Bulilit. So yung first and third is true po.
Sige. Thank you. Guys, konti na lang boboto. Magugulat na lang kayo sa announcement pag mag-quiz na tayo. So, ito yung mga listahan ng mga hindi nagpa-participate ng Tusos and One Lie. -5 sa 20-item quiz. Huwag kayo mag-participate. Okay, next is si Miracle. Sige.
Hello, audible po.
Yes.
Okay, thank you po. First, dito po pusa namin. Second, nag-a-apply na po ako ngayon sa McDo bilang 2. Third, antukin po ako.
Okay. So, boto. Itong pusa, McDo, antukin. Okay, so going once. Close. So what's the lie?
Yung second po.
Okay. Wala kang balak mag-work.
Meron po kasi iniintay ko pa po yung yung sahod po ng Tarabasa na.
Ay, ano ka pala? Sarabasa girl ka. Okay. So, kilala mo si Anson. Miracle. Sarabasa yun.
Opo.
Si Anson, kilala mo.
Opo.
Nice. Hindi naman ikaw yung na napakaway ba yun?
Oh, hindi po.
Okay, may kasi nakarating sa akin. Parang, inaawa yung teacher. Imagine that. Estudyante. Inaawa yung indebted teacher sa Tarabasa. Wala yun. So, next is si Nablo. Hindi ko pa tapos. Go.
Sir, yung raise hand po kay Angel po yun, hindi po sa
Okay. So, Angel, Mary, Angel,
Hello po, audible po.
Yes.
Hello po, I'm Merangeline Sidas, but you can call me Angel. Ito po yung sa akin. First, I graduated with high honors po during my elementary days. Tas, second, during my first year ng high school ko po is, I became a representative for United Nations po as a Japan representative. And lastly, during my senior high pandemic era po, I always wake up at 5 a.m. Pasok ako ng 7 a.m. Yun lang po.
Sino yung ginagawa mong pandemic? Angel?
Ano po yan, sir?
Ano yung third statement mo?
During my senior high school days po, I always wake up at 5 a.m. po since may pasok po ako na 7 a.m.
I see this. Okay. So, boto kayo guys. So, baka naman totoo yung pangalawa. Kasi mukha ka naman Japanese. Siguro nung bata, mukha ka Japanese. Okay. So, actually, nag-audition din ako sa United Nations. Japan yung gusto ko. Pero di ako natanggap. Mukha daw kasi ako mga Pilipino. Okay. So, what's the lie there?
Yung first one po. With honors lang po ako.
Sabi na, totoo yung United. Okay. Next is si Neil Fares.
Hello po. My name is Neil Toby Cowres po and yung tatlong statements ko po ay kaya ko po mag-solve ng Rubik's Cube po in under 1 minute po. Tapos pangalawa po, tumutugtog po ako sa church ng drums, guitar, and violin po. And yung pangatlo po is meron po kami dating family business po na computer shop po.
So, the Rubik's in less than 1 minute. Into drum, then my coffee shop business. Medyo diverse yung boto nila. So, ano yung going once, going twice, close. So, what's the lie there?
Yung
Neil?
number 2 po, di po ako marunong mag-violin, pero guitars and drums lang po.
Okay. Listen. So, gaano kabilis yung record mo sa Rubik's Cube?
Di ko na po tanda. Siguro po fastest ko po mga 30 seconds po. Ganun po. Mga ganun.
Bilis mo yun. Okay. Next is si Sophia.
Good afternoon. Good evening po. Yung first one po is consistent honor student po kasi sa elementary. Second one po is nag-join po ako ng essay competition during junior high school. And the third po is I graduated ABM student as an ABM student sa Ariana.
Okay. Consistent honor student. Ano yung second statement mo? Competition?
Essay po.
Ano yun? Ano yun, Sophia? Elaborate mo.
Essay competition po sa school.
SA? Ano yung sabihin ng SA? Women Student Assistant?
Essay po. Parang kamag-anak po na po.
Essay. Okay.
Opo.
Sorry na. Alright. So, we have yung mga nagsabi number 2. Pakita kami ng essay. Okay. So, excuse me. Alright. So, going once. Ano yung lie doon, Sophia?
Yung first one po, kasi absent student. Parang pala absent ako nung grade 1 since may sakitin po ako.
I see. So at least, di ba, hanggang ngayon,
Hindi
possible pa.
naman po.
I mean, yung pagiging honor student, magtutuloy-tuloy hanggang sa college.
Opo.
Okay. So next natin is si Elaine, si Jen, and us.
Good afternoon po. Ako po si Jen Elaine B. Reyes. So, yung statement ko po is, yung first statement is, I always finish my task ahead of time. Second po is, I like interacting with others. Then yung third po is, I join pageants.
Okay. So the motto na ito is love interacting with others. Tapos na yun. Okay. So what's the lie?
So yung lie po dun is number 2. I like interacting with others po.
So you don't like this moment because you are interacting. Okay, next. Magano nga kayo guys? Volunteer na kayo. Yung gusto na mag-next, salita na agad. Kasi naubusan na ako ng ano eh.
Ako, sir.
Yung decision fatigue, nagtitake over na sa akin. Okay, go ahead. Sino yun? Salita ka na. Ganun kayo. Yung sino yung nagsabi ako yun? Go, ikaw na.
Audible po.
Yes.
Yung 3 statement ko po is first, naging usher
Wait,
ako na.
magpakilala ka muna. Diba?
Ayan.
Introduce yourself. The 3 statements. Okay.
I'm Rochelle Anbasana and my 3 statement po is first, naging usher ako ng isang church. Second is I'm part of a band before. Last is mahilig ako sa music.
Church and music. Okay, so boto. Sabi ng number 1. Hindi ka daw ang church goer.
Grabe naman.
Pero, kitang-kita yung mga nang-judge sa'yo. Kitang-kita mo. Okay, so ano yung lie? Wait lang.
Ang lie
Going
po,
once. Okay, go. Ano yung lie?
ang lie po dun is mahilig ako sa music. Which is hindi naman po mahilig sa music.
Iba. Mag-church na ba yung si Rochelle?
Nag-church po ako before. Ilang years.
Walang yan. Iba nga, simbang gabi lang nagsisimba eh. At least nagsisimba, di ba? Okay. So next is, okay, volunteer na kayo guys. Mag-unmute
Ako
na kayo.
po,
kung
sir.
gusto nyo mag-unmute. Go. Brian Conce.
Hello.
Go.
Hi. Wait lang. So, the first statement is, I received an award for being the best director and
Wait.
scriptwriter. Best director.
Your
And
name first.
first name. I am Madeline. Nice to meet you po. So the first statement is, I received an award for being the best director and scriptwriter during high school. The second statement is, I am a member of an art club called the Refuge of Potential Artists, in short, TROPA. And the third statement is, I am an activist since 2020.
Thank you, Madeline. Go, boto na kayo guys. Okay, so what's the lie there, Madeline?
Hi, sir. The lie is the third statement po. I am not an activist. Anak lang po ng aktivista.
Thank you. And next is
Ako po, sir.
go. Go.
Hello guys, I'm Justin, and 3 statements about me is that first is I was a former marathon runner for our high school athlete school. Next is we won the second place for broadcasting in high school when I was a campus journalist. And third is I am a first district youth councilor for Quezon City.
Oo. Kaya totoo. Malay daw yun, no? Okay, so ano yung lie doon? Justin.
Ang lie doon is yung first statement po, sir. Hindi po ako naging marathon runner. Na-offered lang sa akin nung na-scout ako, pero hindi ko siya in-accept kasi city youth councilor po ako nung buwan ng kabataan nung time na yun. Hindi ako nakasama para mag-represent ng school namin.
I see. Okay, well, thank you. Okay, so far, isa pa lang yung winner natin. Okay, isa pa lang ang may plus 5 points so far. So ano ba? Step up your line. Okay, next. Sir.
Ako po.
Ay, this so, sino na ako na sa inyo?
Ako na lang. Wait lang.
Okay, Lia.
Customer na. Ako na lang
Sige.
po.
Sige.
Okay. My name is Lian Gampong. And first po is, ang favorite banding po namin ng papa ko is mag-rides papunta sa Tagaytay. Second po is, na-achieve ko na po yung isa sa mga childhood dream ko po na mag-work sa isang coffee shop. And third po is, nag-try po akong sumali sa isang org about bartender.
Mm. Correct. So, so it's the lie there. The Tagaytay coffee shop or the bartender.
Ang lie po dun is yung first po. Yung favorite banding po namin yun ng mama ko. Wala po kasi akong tatay.
Okay. So, okay. So marunong kang flaring, di ba? Bartending. Ano yung flaring?
Opo, pero hindi ko po kasi natuloy kasi may performance po nun and wala pa po akong nabuong performance nun. Pero nag-try po ako na mag-flaring. Marunong naman po.
Share ko lang. Alam niyo ba yung flaring? Yung parang bartending. Nung batch namin, dami nagpa-practice ng flaring sa main campus. Di ba? Sa Interfaith Chapel, Oval, practice sila ng flaring. May isang pagkakataon na parang nayabangan ng mga taga-main sa mga taga-CTHQ. Parang nagkaroon ng clash. Parang nag-away. Kasi may gulo na nangyari. So, nung batch namin, doon tinanggal, binan yung pag-flare doon sa main campus. So, kaya ngayon wala na kayo nakikita nagpa-practice ng flaring din sa main campus. Nung nagsimula yung pagbawal ng batch namin, kasi bawal yung flare, nag-away, nagkagulo. Kasi ang yayabang ng mga nag-flare, pasikat. Diba? Yes. Okay, ang bawal na. Paano na lang sila nagpa-practice sa circle. Okay, so next, si ano na, Justin Valdez.
Hello po, I'm Justin Valdez. And my three statements are, one, nung high school is, nanalo kami ng mga kaklase ko sa dance competition. Then, pangalawa is, nung grade 9 hindi natuloy yung field trip namin kasi may COVID. Then, pangatlo, nag-top 1 ako sa computer programming ng senior high school.
Rock one. Actually, nung ano din, nung 2019, magpa-pandemic. May field trip sana yung mga third year, kayo, mga kabatch yun nung pandemic. May field trip din kami doon, hindi natuloy dahil sa pandemic. Bibisita sana kami sa Pangasinan. So, hindi na dahil nagka-pandemic. Okay, so, going once, going twice. So, sana magkaroon ka ng field trip. Sana matuloy yung field trip nyo. Kasi ano yung libre? Libre ng university. Okay, what's the lie there? Justin.
Yung pangalawa po, yung natuloy po yung field trip namin no respect lang.
No, at least, di ba? Okay, so, next,
Ako po, sir. Jane po.
go, Jim.
So, audible naman po ako, sir.
Yes.
So, good evening to everyone. So, my true truths and one lie is, number one, I can dislocate my bone in my arms. Number two, I've been to Cebu last 2022. And number three, I play an
Na-mute ka, Jane.
Ay,
Doon sa third
narinig
statement mo.
po. Hello.
Yung third.
Narinig po lahat.
Yung third.
Yung
Naputol ka sa third.
yung number three po, sir, is I play an instrument called lyre.
Okay. So, pilit guys. So, pag totoo yung number one mo, sasampulan mo kami. Ganun ba yun? Kine-dislocate mo yung boto mo. Okay. So, going once, going twice, and close. Paano yung lie doon?
Yung
Jane?
lie po, sir, yung number two po, kasi hindi pa po ako nakakapunta ng Cebu.
Oh, that's a good lie. Parang katotohanan. Kasi may mga hindi pa rin naniwala. Okay. So, next. Ano na? Hapunan na o may klase pa ako. Sige, go.
Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Anthony Amar. And first statement ko is, no high school ako, nagkaroon ako ng 14 subjects total. Tapos, second statement, nagbike ako one day, tapos inabot ako ng 200 kilometers total distance. Tapos yung third naman,
Yeah, nagkaka-continue. Ako ba yung nag-count? Hindi ko narinig yung third statement mo. Naririnig pa ba ako, guys? No?
Rinig po, sir.
Okay, good. Grabe yung 200 kilometers. Okay. So, ano yung lie doon, Anthony?
yung po sir, yung 13 lang po yung total subjects ko po na high school.
So, So, saan kayo naabot ng ano, nyo, 200 kilometers?
Ano po sir, from Manila to Tagaytay, tapos Laguna Loop po.
Wow. Good. Next, sino ba hindi pa tapos? So, mag-unmute na lang kayo
Ako na lang po,
para
sir.
kayo na. Okay, go.
Hello po. Am I audible po?
Yes.
Okay, so good evening po. I'm Shecky. So here are three statements about me. So first, there's a TikTok video na ginamit yung voice ko para sa isang animation and umabot siya na 400,000 likes. Second, I made a cover of an OPM song last year and uploaded it sa Instagram story ko and na-notice po siya ng artist. And third, part po ako ng worship team sa church namin and role ko po doon ay isang rhythm guitarist.
Jesus. Go. Marco. So, going once. It's good choice. Okay, let's go line. Tricky.
Yung ano po, yung third po. Yung third po yung live po doon. Kasi po, ang role ko po ay isang keyboardist po.
I see. Thank you, Tricky. So, next is go. Mag-unmute na kayo. Pakalahan na lang.
Ako po, sir.
Go. Jamie.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jamie Gutierrez, and the three statements. My three statements are: first is I'm currently studying a TESDA course programming Java and C3. Next is I can play 3 instruments. And last is I won first place in table setting contest national level in elementary.
Excellent. Java. So, what's the lie there, Jam?
The lie po, sir, is that I didn't won first place in table setting ng national level, but I am a participant po.
Oh, I see. Really. Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, so nabalik na boss. Tapos na lahat. Huwag na kayo magtaas ng kamay. Magsalita na lang kayo. Release. Ano na? Tapos na lahat? Uy. Uy. Ano na? Matigyan na sa salita. Wala akong natitinig. Wala kayo. Hindi kayo makapag-dinner. Okay, tapos na lahat. Okay. So, ang panalo. Sa Tag-North kaya kayo. Ang panalo ay si JC. Okay, so kayo panalo. May plus 5 points. JC. Alright, so that would be it for today's session. Pakita nyo naman yung ano natin. I-forward ko lang sa GC natin yung syllabus saka yung iceberg ng video production. Tagawa ko pa ng iceberg yung call center basic. Yung pinaka-ilalim ng iceberg is yung alam nyo ba yung ano? PLDT scandal. Hindi nyo pa napakinggan yan. Kaya ako napakinggan. May stress lang ako. Okay, so open your webcam, everyone, and for attendance purposes. May klase pa ako 6 to 9. Hello, 6:18 na pala. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and first slide, smile. And then second, statement na kung ano. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ito. So, bala rin. Laban din. Okay, see you on Friday, everyone. Goodbye for now. And the message na next class po.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Thank you
Bye,
po,
guys.
sir.
Enjoy your dinner. Goodbye. Good night.